Imagine a design studio where friendship isn't just a nice-to-have, it's the foundation of everything they create. That's Martha, a Montreal-based studio that's redefining branding with a refreshingly human approach. But here's where it gets controversial. In an industry often driven by trends and algorithms, Martha dares to prioritize relationships, both in their work and behind the scenes. Is this a recipe for success, or a risky move in a cutthroat creative world? Let's dive in. Martha is the brainchild of designers Guillaume Lavallee and Ariane LeBlanc, a duo whose contrasting backgrounds make their collaboration nothing short of fascinating. Guillaume, a self-taught graphic designer, brings a decade of experience crafting dynamic brand identities, while Ariane pairs her BA in graphic design from Central St. Martin's with a stint in the fashion industry at Vivienne Westwood. And this is the part most people miss. Both have not only worked for top studios and agencies, but also founded their own ventures. Guillaume led Demand Specially for 5 years before co-founding Martha in January 2024. This new chapter isn't just a career move, it's a fusion of their unique perspectives into something entirely fresh. Since launching, Martha has quickly grown into a thriving team and moved through 2 Montreal offices, leaving a trail of standout projects in their wake. Their portfolio reads like a who's who of innovative brands: Notion, AI powerhouse Ada, fashion disruptor Sheertex, and even non-profits like Greenpeace Canada. We work across industries: food, AI, culture, architecture, and more, Ariane explains. What ties it all together is a human sensibility, a drive to create work that feels alive. Bold claim? Maybe. But their projects speak for themselves. One of Martha's standout strengths is their masterful use of typography, hinted at in their type-focused soft launch on Instagram last year. Even their own visual identity is a masterpiece. A logo that unfolds like a staircase of letterforms, subtly revealed at the bottom of their website. But here's the twist: while their typography is undeniably stunning, it's their ability to connect with viewers that truly sets them apart. We believe all design is relational, Guillaume reflects. It's about how the design relates to people, to the world, and most importantly, to the relationships behind it. This focus on connection isn't just a tagline, it's rooted in the studio's origins. Founded on a deep friendship, Martha's work is infused with authenticity and empathy. Controversial question: in an era of AI-driven design and remote collaboration, is prioritizing human relationships a strength or a liability? Does it make their work more impactful, or does it limit scalability? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Martha isn't just another design studio, it's a testament to the power of collaboration, creativity, and connection. Whether you're a design enthusiast or a skeptic, their approach challenges the status quo and invites us to rethink what branding can and should be. What do you think? Is Martha onto something, or is their human-centric approach a fleeting trend? Let the debate begin.